have run probably 70, 80 people across 5 to 6 companies within our group through the Genesis curriculum. So I think few things. Number one, why, right? I believe it's important for us as the pool builder to have a sales process that is first and foremost educational for everyone that we serve. So, we're not a hard close. We are a very soft sell. Let me educate you on what it is that we are going to do for you. Wow you with design, and outperform the competition. Well, in order to do that, it's our belief that we have to equip our staff with the knowledge and consistent knowledge about how to build, design theory, how to take advantage of that knowledge that they have, and then basically reproduce it in each and every customer that we serve's backyard. Because what we do, and we're not unique. Everyone in our industry is given a palette. So and ultimately at Claffey Pools and the other companies in our portfolio, it's we're building backyard art. That is, you look at your pool 95% of the time, and you might physically use it 5. And so we believe, in order to do that effectively, we've got to have a trained design staff that might go beyond things that they know when they first come aboard with us. So landscape architecture, ideas and concepts, how you're building, how exactly we construct the swimming pool, are all things that we believe are important. And the curriculum of Genesis gives us a pathway to where we can have consistent education. And even going through the curriculum within Genesis has altered our approach on how we build certain things. So, number one reason would be to educate our staff on a uniform curriculum that we then pass on to the consumers that we serve. Number two is we've done them in group forums across multiple companies, across sales and construction. So we don't just take our sales staff through it. We were taking our construction staff through the curriculum. And there's power in group learning, and we've found that. And so having everyone together, and we've done most of our classes virtually, it hasn't impacted this camaraderie feel. There's still interaction and engagement, and it's been really positive taking 30, 40 people at a time through the curriculum. And then after the courses are done, we've done off campus study groups, to learn and help practice for the testing and answer questions, ask questions. So, the whole experience from what they've learned to the camaraderie that's been, that's come from learning together it's been a great experience, So, we have at present, it's our goal that we do not dispatch a designer to a client's yard unless they are a certified building professional. And we believe that adds credibility to us. We believe that, we have an obligation to serve the consumer with educated staff, so that's why we're passionate about making sure that you cannot design for our team unless you're a certified building professional.